It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Help me. Anyone. Someone. Please. How are you? Why did you leave me alone? You did. You left me alone out in the cold. I'm never gonna forgive you. I'm never gonna forgive you. Never gonna. Where am I? What is this place? You have a cabin out in the woods. You were here the whole time when I was out there, fighting with the cold and my injuries. You're so selfish. You're so selfish. You were fighting. It doesn't matter anymore. I don't remember what happened completely, but I was fighting, but then he used this special power. I didn't see it coming. It was invincible and invisible. I was just hit by it. Then I started rolling off the cliff. There were rocks there too. I think I'm in my head. I don't know how long I was out there, but I couldn't feel my body at all, even when you were there. Yeah. My leg is hurting a lot. It's so cold. Probably I'm running a fever. I know there's a fireplace in this room, but I think it needs more wood. You'll go grab it? Okay. Thank you. He definitely did that on purpose. He expected that I would die. Why is he being all nice suddenly? He's the most cruel villain I've ever known. He certainly wouldn't help a hero like me. Why did he even fight? Is he trying to learn something from me? Maybe he's undercover. I should be careful. Maybe I'll search the room before he... Oh, you came back quick. You already had locks. Oh, very handy. My back. My back hurts. I've taken a nice beating for sure. Oh my God. I feel so sleepy. I shouldn't sleep. If I fall asleep, I don't know what he will do. I don't know his intentions. I have to stay awake. What? No, I'm not sleepy. No, my eyes are not closing and opening slowly. It's just your perception. I'm okay. I'm not sleepy at all. I'm just resting my eyes. Oh my God, wake up, wake up. Wake up, I shouldn't fall asleep. Open your eyes. It's so comfy though. This bed. Did he put on this fuzzy blanket over me? It looks like this place hasn't been used for a while. Maybe he's not a bad person. What are you doing? Don't touch my hair, please. Why? Because I feel really nauseous. Can I use the bathroom? Thank you. Yeah, just... you're gonna help me out? Thank you. Oh, I don't need you to help me. Maybe I do need it a little bit. Just a little. I'll just go to the bathroom and wash my face. He tended to my wounds. Oh my God. He passed them all up. I don't know what he's trying to do. Maybe he's trying to seem nice so that I give in and give away important information. He's already so attractive. Like, if I say anything wrong, if I fall for him, it's over for me. My crew will kill me for sure. I'm literally in a villain's house right now. Out in the woods. I have to be really careful. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm okay. I'm coming out now. Fucking hurts to walk. Wait a minute. How did you open the door? You also have that type of power? You're creepy. Don't ever do that. So does that mean if I wanted to sleep now, I can't even lock the door? Why would I wouldn't want it. I would just need it. At the end of the day, you're a villain. I'm a hero. And if we're gonna stay in the same house, I should protect myself. I'm aware that you're stronger and more powerful than me. It's just... that's one of the reasons why. I'm not scared of you. I mean, I'm totally scared of him. It's just... oh my god, stay away. What are you doing? You don't have to carry me to bed. I can walk. Put me down. It hurts to walk anyway. I'll just let him. Thank you. Can I ask you something? Why did you save me? Why did you go out there in the snow, in the blizzard? Was it a coincidence? Did you feel bad? I have to know. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. We're enemies. You weren't looking for me. You weren't looking for me. Stop joking. It hurts to talk anyway, please. Just tell me the truth. You were looking for me? No. So you saw me fall to the ground and that's when you came in? How did you not realize that there's a fight going on in your yard if you live here? I don't even know why you would live in this creepy place. Even though I'll admit that it's a little cozy in here. It's just out in the woods and there's no one. It's a little unsettling. So you only heard the big impact? Mm-hmm. He took you that far away? He could fly? I didn't know he could fly. I mean, we were fighting on foot the whole time. I didn't know that. Okay, so you had to look for me. You ran through the woods to find me. That's what you want me to believe. Why are you coming close to me? Oh my god, oh my god. He keeps asking me if I'm scared of him or not. I am. You can't see that. Okay, I can't say that. I don't want him to think that I'm weak. Stop asking stupid questions, okay? I'm not scared of you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get away from me. My wrist hurt, you know that. What? Oh. I just saw that now also. It's not that deep. It's just a little cut. Okay. Thank you. Oh my god. Never in a million years would I think I would be happy that there's a cut on my body. He was about to kiss me or something. Oh my god, he was so close. I should never do that to me again. Oh my god, I'm letting my guard down every time he gets close to me. He's so attractive. I can't think straight. Oh my god, he's taking my breath away. I should focus. Yeah, I'll just put it here on the bed. He's being very gentle with me. The way he's wiping it off. No, it doesn't burn. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Is he worried for me or something? Why is he asking if it's hurting when he touches? Look at his expression. He's so worried. I can't tell if he's doing this for something else or not. Is he just... But he really did look for me in the blizzard. Oh my god, I should stop this. I'm falling for him. Thank you so much. I think that's enough. Yeah. Okay, I'll wait for you. I'm here. It's getting really warm here. The fire, the crinkling sound, and the snow outside is just... It's so cozy. I'm so tired. I want to sleep so much. Oh my god. I fell asleep. What am I feeling? Is he laying right behind me? No way. Oh my god. His arms are all over me. What is he doing? What is he doing? What happened to the fire? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up. I'm okay. The thunder scared me. What happened to the fire? Why did you put it out? It's cold here. Your family died in a house fire? Oh my... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that. Is that why you put it out when you're going to bed? Oh my god. Of course it was Dark Venom who did this. Maybe that's why he became a villain. He did mention earlier that he was looking for him. Oh, poor thing. He cuddled me so that I wouldn't be cold. Oh my god, get back to my senses. I should get back to my senses. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm terrified of loud noises. I'm sorry, you probably think I'm weird and exaggerating. I'm dramatic, aren't I? No, I understand. Seeing your parents die like that. How old were you? Only 8 years old. I feel so sad. I want to give him a hug. Are you cold? I mean, you look cold a little bit. Yeah. If you want, I can hug you. Yeah. Is it okay if I turn to you? Okay. Hey. Did I just smile at him? I'm so stupid. I'll just put my arms around you, if that's okay. Yeah? Okay. Be careful. My back. Yes. It's okay. It didn't hurt that much. It's just... it hurts when you touch. This is so comforting. I just said that out loud. I can't believe that I did that. What I mean is that, the blanket, it's very fuzzy and warm. Yeah. What do you mean, am I still scared of you? I'm not scared of you. What are you doing? Did he really think getting close to me would scare me like that? Is he using his powers on me? I see his eyes light up. Oh my god. Hey, stop laughing. It's not funny. I'm actually scared of it. The thunder. Not you. Okay, I'll just hug tighter. Is it okay if I close my eyes? Yeah, I'll just rest my eyes for a bit, okay? I'm not sleeping, don't worry. I'm just resting my eyes.